Before the computer, before the word processor, before the keyboard became our voice, there was a machine. And behind that machine was a man who didn't invent it, but made the world believe in it. Welcome to Inventing America, the podcast that tells the stories of the forgotten minds, and often the overlooked hands, behind the machines that changed our lives. Today's episode isn't about the man who imagined the typewriter. It's about the one who gave it to the world. This is the typewriter's trigger. Philo Remington was born in 1816 in upstate New York. He inherited a family business built on metal, the Remington Arms Company, one of the most prominent American gun manufacturers of the 19th century. But after the Civil War, the arms business softened. Remington began looking for ways to diversify, and that's when he met a group of inventors led by Christopher Latham Sholes. They had built a crude device that printed letters on paper, one key at a time. It was awkward, slow, unpolished. But Remington saw what others didn't: potential. He acquired the manufacturing rights and brought it to life in a way Sholes never could. In 1873, the Remington No. 1 typewriter rolled off the production line. It featured a QWERTY keyboard, a shift key for upper and lowercase letters, a carriage return, and the first commercially viable typing mechanism. The machine was sleek, fast, and marketed to offices, businesses, and, eventually, women typists in a bold reimagining of clerical work. While Sholes created the design, it was Philo Remington who built the brand, scaled the production, and introduced the typewriter to a global audience. Within a decade, typing replaced handwriting in most American offices. The typewriter transformed not only business, but communication itself. It brought standardization to written documents, speed to correspondence, access to clerical roles for women, and the foundations of modern keyboard layout. The name Remington became synonymous with the typewriter, just as it had once been with rifles. By the late 1800s, Remington's machines were used in government offices, law firms, universities, and newspaper rooms. It was a quiet, industrial revolution, one letter at a time. Philo Remington died in 1889. Today, his name lives on in keyboard history, often confused with the invention itself. He didn't invent the typewriter. He made it real, at scale, at speed, and at the right moment. He pulled the trigger on a new kind of literacy, a new kind of labor, and a new kind of world. And from that point on, the sound of progress clicked. Thanks for listening to Inventing America. If this story typed something new into your mind, share it, and bring back the names behind the letters. Next time, the man who gave museums their most lifelike creatures and reshaped extinction in glass and skin. That episode is The Sculptor of Extinction.